Can a nation remain economically strong while facing decades of sanctions, financial restrictions, and international pressure? At first glance, the answer might seem obvious. Many would expect an economy under such conditions to struggle to survive. Yet Iran tells a far more complex story. Located at the crossroads of the Middle East and Central Asia, Iran possesses one of the world's largest reserves of oil and natural gas. For generations, these resources have provided the foundation of its economy, financing infrastructure, industry, and public development. But natural wealth alone has never guaranteed long-term prosperity. History has shown that many resource-rich nations have struggled to transform underground wealth into sustainable economic growth. Over the past several decades, Iran has faced repeated economic sanctions that affected international banking, foreign investment, and global trade. Access to financial markets became more difficult. Importing advanced technology grew increasingly expensive. Many international companies reduced or ended their business activities inside the country. These challenges placed enormous pressure on the economy. Inflation increased, the national currency experienced significant fluctuations, and businesses were forced to operate in an environment of constant uncertainty. For ordinary families, rising prices became part of everyday life. Yet, despite these difficulties, the economy did not simply stop. Companies searched for new suppliers. Manufacturers redesigned production processes. Local industries expanded their capabilities, while entrepreneurs adapted to changing market conditions. Instead of relying entirely on international markets, greater attention was given to domestic production and regional trade. Oil remained one of Iran's most valuable economic assets, but it was no longer the entire story. Manufacturing, agriculture, mining, transportation, and services continued contributing to economic activity. Millions of people went to work each day, producing goods, providing services, and supporting businesses across the country. Iran's geography also continues to influence its economic importance. Positioned between major regional markets, it connects important transportation routes linking Asia, the Middle East, and surrounding regions. Its ports, highways, and rail networks provide opportunities for commercial exchange that extend far beyond its own borders. Like every modern economy, however, Iran faces a rapidly changing world. Global energy markets are evolving. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence, automation, and digital industries are transforming how nations compete, produce, and create value. For resource-rich economies, this creates an important question. Can today's natural resources become the foundation for tomorrow's innovation? Around the world, governments and businesses are investing in education, research, advanced manufacturing, and digital technologies. Increasingly, long-term economic success depends not only on what a country owns, but on what its people are able to create. This shift is changing the definition of economic strength itself. Today, resilience is measured not only by natural resources or financial reserves, but also by the ability to adapt, improve productivity, and continue moving forward when conditions become difficult. The future of any economy will never be determined by a single resource alone. Oil can create wealth. Natural gas can generate income. But neither can guarantee lasting prosperity. History has repeatedly shown that the strongest economies are those that continue to invest in knowledge, innovation, and people. The countries that adapt to change are often the ones that succeed in the long run. For Iran, the road ahead will depend on far more than energy exports. Its future will be shaped by its ability to educate new generations, encourage entrepreneurship, embrace technological progress, and strengthen industries beyond natural resources. These are challenges shared by nations across the world. In today's global economy, No country can rely forever on what lies beneath its soil. Real economic strength comes from what people are able to build above it. Behind every factory stands a worker. Behind every discovery stands a researcher. Behind every successful company stands an entrepreneur willing to take risks. And behind every strong economy stands millions of ordinary people whose daily efforts keep a nation moving forward.
Iran's economy, like every economy, continues to evolve. Its future has not yet been written. The choices made today will shape the opportunities of tomorrow. Because in the end, the true wealth of a nation is not measured by its oil fields, its gas reserves, or the size of its economy. It is measured by the resilience, creativity, and determination of its people. And perhaps that is the most valuable lesson, not only about Iran, but about every nation striving to build a stronger future.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and give it a like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.